this is what the life of a van lifer sometimes looks like. We do shopping, we do life. But before we show you guys more, let me introduce ourselves. We are Steve and Naz, and we travel full-time in our self-converted camper van. And right now we are exploring Vancouver Island. So come on with us. So one of the problems of driving in the island is parking.
So you've got tiny little British towns and you've got to park a nice big van. If you don't know, we travel full-time in our self-converted camper van.
Yesterday, as you probably saw on our previous video, it was very rainy and stormy.
And today it's a little better, so we've ventured to Sidney, which is close to the port area.
Sidney is a little town, really pretty, with lots of shops and restaurants.
Kind of like a little British type seaside town. Probably a good place to stay if you want to go on trips to Victoria, which is about 26 minutes away. On the island, there seems to be a lot of these thrifty foods. There's some on the mainland, but there seems to be a lot more on the island, huh?
Yeah, and they have different things too, so we are going to explore a little bit. Let's go shopping with us.
Wow, look here, Naz. This is dry aged beef. This is very, very interesting. Look at this.
Can I just show you guys something else?
Look at that. That is crazy.
Touch to show.
Wow.
Isn't this crazy? I think I remember seeing something like this before, and they said it was like Chinese lemon or lime. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks kind of like a lemon.
Do you guys know what this is? Just drop in the comments.
Looks like lemon peel.
There's something else as well. Look here. Initially, I thought they were slugs and then animal droppings,
You thought they were
but
slugs?
apparently it's a type of lime. It's called finger limes.
Wow, look at that. Australian finger lime. Very interesting. It looks like slugs. I wonder what it tastes like.
I don't like filming fish tanks like those or crab tanks, because there was a time when we went to a supermarket, they actually had dead fish inside the tank. They told us off and asked us to stop filming. It's almost like you buying a doll from a supermarket. Yeah.
It's a flattened chicken.
Anything else? We got chicken. We're just exploring.
Yeah, so they've got probiotic gum. One of the main things for tooth decay is having healthy probiotics in your mouth. And so there's a growing movement of having probiotics that you put in your mouth to stop tooth decay.
So if you like mouthwashes, they are probably doing you more harm than...
Yeah, you have a probiotic in your mouth that produces nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is important for your blood vessels. It's found in certain foods like beetroot and that sort of thing. And it helps your blood vessels dilate.
This salt we found here in the island, I haven't seen it in the main lane. Can you see it's shaped like a maple leaf?
Everything in Canada is shaped like a maple leaf.
Yes.
Rice and beans, chocolates. This looks very European-ness.
They are very good. We don't eat lots of sugary things, but when we do, that's really good. We had one the other day.
And the Yara got sick.
I got so sick, I threw up.
It was so rich.
Yeah.
And it's misty out there, and there is the van.
And it's not so cold, it's just misty. It's cold, but not freezing. I don't like chicken leaking inside my fridge. Put it inside Ziploc bags.
So we have got, finally, what do we have?
We purchased blinds for the front windows and we are so excited to try them on. Finally, we got them from Amazon, and we will drop the link in the description below.
And now we'll have more space. We can swivel the seats and have more space.
Isn't that great? Yeah. So here's another one.
For the side windows.
Yay! Nice. Very strong. It has magnets, which is awesome. We are dropping the link in the description. This is amazing. Look at this.
Phenomenal. And then there we go. Now we can open these up, and boy, there we go, black in there.
I'm gonna cook some dinner, and I'm going to roast some beef. We hardly ever eat beef, so this is gonna be quite a treat for us. Everything in the van is electric. I don't think we are ever gonna use propane in here because of many cases of motorhomes exploding. So we are thinking about it. Probably everything will be electric forever. Maybe not. We don't know. I'll be seasoning the steak with some garlic powder, salt, balsamic vinegar, olive oil. I could use fresh garlic, but I'm just feeling a bit lazy. I've already washed off the blood from the beef. I think this thing poured too much. Look at how much garlic.
You sure you didn't put on a little much there, Naz?
Well, we love garlic, don't we? How much do you like garlic? Anyways, it's gonna be garlic with some beef. There was quite a bit of sand on the mushrooms, so I gave them a little bit of a wash. I know that some people don't like washing vegetables, but I think it's a good idea to wash everything. Now we just need to wait for dinner to be ready. Our fridge looks to be quite small from the outside, but it's actually huge. We went for a isotherm 115 free line. It's really good. We have huge freezer out.
It can fit like the really big pizzas in there if you eat pizza.
One downside of it is that it's not frost free. You see the ice built up here, but once in a while just do away with the ice. It's not a big problem. This fridge is a 12-volt fridge and it's meant to be for boats. So it has a latch here and it will not come open as we drive.
The compressor, I think, has a 5-year warranty. It's a really good compressor. It's the Danfoss one in these isotherm fridges, which if you look into it, that is like a really famous compressor that's reliable.
We don't have all the batteries that most of you probably do. We only have...
We have a Jackery portable 1000, I think. So it lasts 2 days if we charge it up. The main thing is the fridge and the lights to use the Jackery on.
Yeah. If you're on shore power, RV parks and stuff, that's not a big deal. Steak already comes washed and cut, so I just need to put it in the smoothie and drink it. What's turmeric good for? It's a good anti-inflammatory natural food. I know that some people would put milk in their smoothies. We don't. Milk spoils the iron absorption. I could do with some iron in my life. We have kale, turmeric, ginger, bananas, avocado. Could do with a little bit of honey.
Very good. What do we have here? Let's see.
Let's have a look.
That looks good. It's like a pot roast almost.
Looks good, hey?
Looks very tasty.